Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to access the new Bing Chatbot with Google Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see 3 vertical dots. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots to open Chrome's main menu. This menu gives you access to all of Chrome's settings and features, including the extension store where we'll be downloading what we need. From the menu that appears, hover your mouse over the option that says Extensions. When you do this, a side menu will pop out with additional options. From this side menu, click on Visit Chrome Web Store. This will take you directly to Google's official extension marketplace where you can find thousands of add-ons to enhance your browsing experience. Once you're in the Chrome Web Store, you'll see a search bar at the top left of the page. Click on it and type in Bing. This will bring up the official Bing extension that allows you to access Microsoft's AI-powered chatbot directly from your Chrome browser. Look through the results and click on the official Bing extension to open its details page. On the extensions page, you'll see a blue button that says Add to Chrome. Click on this button and a confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you want to proceed. Click Add Extension to confirm. Chrome will now download and install the extension automatically. This process usually takes just a few seconds, and once it's done, you'll see a notification confirming that the extension has been added successfully. Now, look at the top right corner of your Chrome browser again. You'll notice a puzzle piece icon, which represents your extensions. Click on this icon to see a list of all your installed extensions. From the list that appears, find and click on Bing. This action will open a new tab in your browser that takes you directly to Bing.com, which is Microsoft's search engine homepage. Once you're on the Bing homepage, look toward the top of the page where you'll see an option labeled Copilot. Click on Copilot to access Microsoft's AI chatbot interface. This is the same technology that powers ChatGPT but integrated into Microsoft's ecosystem with additional features and internet connectivity. At this point, you'll be prompted to log in to Copilot using your Microsoft account. Enter your credentials to sign in. If you don't have a Microsoft account, you can create one quickly by following the on-screen prompts. Once you're logged in, you'll have full access to the chatbot and can start having conversations, asking questions, or getting help with various tasks right away. And that's it. You've successfully set up and accessed the new Bing chatbot through Google Chrome, giving you instant access to AI-powered assistance whenever you need it. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.